isn't the only thing to help you here, but it will certainly help you get quicker at finding the right answer. So with these, practice isn't necessarily essential like it is with the logic puzzles, but it will really, really help you get faster at doing these and doing them right. So let's have a look at question 3. We've got a word, and you've got to choose a word from the brackets underneath it that means the same. So the word that we've got to find here, we've got hyperactive, and then we have to choose between esoteric, enigmatic and energetic. Which one of those means the same as hyperactive? Now this one will come a lot from practice because it's to do with reading a lot, looking at what words mean in certain contexts and being able to figure out, what the word itself specifically means based on the other things around it. So that's where the practice is going to come in handy here, just reading a lot and getting used to words and what they mean. And it's a process of elimination if you don't really know what a couple of the words mean. So if you know what enigmatic means, for instance, and you're not so sure about the other two, depending on what you know about that word, you can either choose it or eliminate it. So get used to words, read a lot, and try and learn a few new words every so often to help you out with these things. And then with the sum for question 11, use all the combinations. You've got certain numbers that you can only use once in this sum. Figure out what different combination of those you can use and which one of them is going to produce the end result of 13. Practice them a lot at home. Get someone else to write them out for you. Find some examples online. The School Thought website will be able to provide you with some of these. Find things like that and practice them a lot. If you're coming up to an exam when you know you're going to be asked a lot of things like this, practice them as much as possible and you'll get so much quicker at figuring out what goes with what. And then with question 6, you've got an alphabet code question. And again, practicing them a lot will help you because you'll get very quick at knowing, well, if this letter goes with this letter and that letter goes with that letter, I know what the code is now, I can figure it out quickly. You won't spend so long having to map it out on the page. So the more you practice these things, the quicker you will get and the easier you'll find it to get to the right answer.